y'all, so we have some roses here, some purple roses. I don't know why they look pink on camera, but they're purple. Right here, I'm showing you guys that I already cut the stems and the leaves off of those ones right there. So I'm about to show you me cutting the stems and the leaves off the rest of them. And like I always say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm making these for my mom's birthday. Today is actually her birthday, so comment down below in the comment section, happy birthday. Like, yeah, and I thought I would come to you guys with this video on YouTube to show you guys how to do it because it's easy. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can learn, you can learn. So right now, I'm going to just cut the rest of them and I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm on to the next step.
Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume.
Okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. He came on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's for my nigga.
Okay, y'all, so this is me showing you guys what the stems look like afterwards, and this is also me showing you guys the roses again. I don't know, I think I was just in love with them. So right now, I'm about to straighten them up, line them up, you know, make sure it's giving that dome look. You know, if you ever seen a bouquet, then you know they're not up and down, they look nice and neat. So I wanted mine to look nice and neat. So I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm on to the next step. I'm probably just gonna let the music play and yeah, let y'all rock out.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad,
high
but now a
volume,
bitch
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. He came on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a
Okay, y'all, so you're gonna need 2 rubber bands. You're gonna need about 2 rubber bands. I didn't have any of my own, so I just used the ones that came on the flowers when I opened them out of the little packaging. But right here, you see I'm trying to decide on how I'm gonna put them on, like which way I'm gonna put them on and how to. But I ended up going underneath, and then I ended up wrapping it around like once or twice. And you need one just about like at the bottom of the stems and close like where my hand is holding the stems at, so that it can hold the stems together and make it straight, so when you wrap it, it stays as one and it don't be sticking out, poking, ripping, anything, nothing like that. So I'ma just come back to y'all when I'm on to the next step. But right here, all I'm really doing is just putting the rubber bands around it, so it's self-explanatory. But I'll just let the music play, and yeah, I'll see y'all on the next step.
Okay, I'm like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch, okay. He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay.
My bad, bitch.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay. Down south bad bitch, discreet shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them. And fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, iced out name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing.
Alright y'all, so here you need a trash bag if you're doing this indoors. Highly recommended outdoors. You also need the spray adhesive, and you need whatever glitter you prefer to use. I will put a picture up of both. Right here you can see that I'm using the floral paper, ordered off of Amazon. Right here I'm about to show you guys how you should fold it to create those triangle shapes, if you see what I'm saying. So you lay it flat, you see the square, you fold it like corner, like you see how it's slightly, you can see the corners, it should be matching up. Then you will fold it again halfway to however you want, like your triangle shape, however big you want it. You can make it bigger, you can make it wider, however you want to do. I chose to use hot glue instead of tape. I normally see people use tape or double-sided tape. If I was doing this as a business, I would, but I chose to use hot glue because I couldn't find my tape, so yeah. But I think I showed you guys how to do it a few times, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch instead of me talking and explaining it. You guys see what I'm doing. And also I forgot to mention that I made about like 6-7 pieces of the floral paper just in case, because I kind of wanted mine full. So yeah, now I'm gonna let the music play.
Stuck in this paradigm, don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not, it's advertised. This got to be more, been here before. be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could.
Y'all, I forgot to show y'all how I glittered the roses and how I put the glue on there, but basically all I did is lay a trash bag down, cut it in half so I wouldn't get no glitter on the carpet. I sprayed it I sprayed it twice, and then I dumped the glitter, shook the glitter off, sprayed it 2 more times, dumped the glitter all around, shook it off. So I just kept repeating that until all the roses were covered in the glitter or the glue, or it was to my liking with the glitter, and that's basically all I really did.
So for the taking, I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
Okay, y'all, so I actually forgot to show y'all me wrapping the floral paper around the flowers, but basically all I really did was wrap and tape, wrap and tape, wrap and tape. So right here I'm showing you guys the part to cover up the stems, because that's not cutesy, it's not demure, and we want to be demure. So I folded it in half to like the half line crease that was already on there. This is me right here trying different things to see how I wanted it to come out at the bottom. Like, do I want the triangle part? Do I not? But I just decided to go with the regular little fold in half and just keep it simple. So I folded it twice in half, and then I think I just ended up wrapping it around. So I ended up wrapping it and wrapping it and wrapping it, and then at the end I secured it to use hot glue. So I hot glued the end when I was done. Right here, I'm still just showing you guys how I wanted it. I didn't know, but I think right now I'm about to show you guys exactly how I wrapped it and secured it, wrapped it and secured it. And then I ended up using hot glue, like I said. So I'll let the music play and just come back to you guys when I'm on to the next step.
For the taking, I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could.
Okay, y'all, so I got these diamond pins from Amazon. Shout out to Amazon. I actually like them. They were very cute. So basically all I really did was, they're very sharp, so be mindful because they're sharp as hell. So I don't want nobody to stab themselves. But basically all I really did was I took them out, I stuck them in the middle of the flower. Like, if you know, like that middle of the flower or the middle of the rose, that's where I stuck it at. And I made sure that I stuck it all the way down because we don't need them popping out and coming out and none of that. So yeah, that's basically all I just did right here. So I'm gonna just let y'all keep watching and keep going, and I'm gonna let the music play.
I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
Okay, y'all, so this is what it should look like after you put in all your diamond pins. Right now I'm about to show you the letters that I put on there. I got these off of Amazon as well. So I'm about to spell out Sag. I tried to spell out Sagittarius, but y'all know that's a long ass word, so I struggled when I did. So I just skipped to the part where I just spelled out Sag because I mean, that was cute too. It looked better that way anyways. I don't know what I was thinking in the first place, but I'm just about to share how it is. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all to when I'm on the next step. So yeah, I'm gonna just let the music play.
Better floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better.
Alright y'all, so this is how it came out. It looks very cute, very demure, and she really liked them. So like I always say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.